Hello everyone. In this example, we will create a leader with combination feature control frames to control runout and cylindricity as shown in the figure. I have the sketch drawn on the screen already. Enter QL in the command line and press enter. Press enter again to invoke the leader settings dialog box. In the annotation tab, make sure the tolerance radio button is chosen in the annotation type area. Click on the OK button to exit the dialog box. We are prompted to specify the first leader point. Specify the first point here, second point here, the third point here. The geometric tolerance dialog box is displayed. Click in the first edit box and then choose the runout symbol. In the tolerance 1 area, enter 0.15 in this edit box, and in the datum 1 edit box, type C. Now click on this box here and then choose cylindricity symbol. In the tolerance 1 edit box, enter 0.05. Next, in the datum identifier edit box, type C. Click on the OK button to accept the changes in the geometric tolerance dialog box. The control frames will be automatically attached at the end of the leader. Thank you for watching this video.